and Nikki. His sports and hobbies include golf, bowling, cycling, and arnis. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and friends, please help me welcome First Secretary and Consul General Adelio Angelito S. Cruz.
Thank you very much. We have our President, Engineer Rosario, incoming President, Engineer Ed Gallego, the officers, members, the new board passers, friends, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. With great pride and pleasure, I wish to extend my warmest greetings to all of you here tonight. Our dear ambassador, Ambassador Grace Reducio Princesa, just left for the Philippines this morning, and she requested me to appear here on her behalf, and it's my great honor to be here in front of you. Alam po ninyo, ang unang kurso ko po sa kolehiyo ay engineering. Pero talagang hindi ko ako pinalad sa math. Kaya ako po ay napunta sa political science. I come from a family of engineers. All my 5 uncles, including my dad, are engineers. Kaya malapit po sa puso ko ang mga engineero. Nasa bahay pa po yung D-square ng aking tatay, naka-D-square. Tonight's memorable event will not only give us an opportunity to enjoy and take a break from our otherwise hectic schedules, it will also give us an opportunity to rekindle our old friendships, nurture new ones, and reflect on what we individually and collectively have achieved for 2009. 2009 also brought about the true meaning of bayanihan on a worldwide scale. After 2 super typhoons ravaged our country, Filipinos from all over the world, from all walks of life, sent financial and material aid to the victims of ongoing epic. In one shining moment, we overcame regional differences and showed the Bayanihan spirit of pagdadamayan, pakikipagkapatiran, at pakikipag-isa para sa kapakanan ng nakararami. Our very own 2009 CNN Hero of the Year awardee, kilala po niyo siya, Efren Peña Florida, in an inspiring televised speech watched by millions of viewers, said, and I quote, "Our planet is filled with heroes, young and old, rich and poor, men and women of different colors, shapes, and sizes. We are one great tapestry. The hero is in you and is waiting to be unleashed. Serve. Serve well. Serve others above yourself. Be happy to serve. You are the change that you dream, as I am the change that I dream. Collectively, we are the change that this world needs to be." Ito po ang sinabi ng ating CNN Hero of the Year na pinagmalaki po ng sambayanang Pilipino sa buong mundo. Kaya pagkatapos po niya dumalaw sa Hong Kong, pagdating po sa NAIA, napikpakit siya. As we venture through life, I want each and every one of you here to remember. One tree can start a forest. One word must start each prayer. One star can guide a lost ship at sea. One step can start a journey. And one vote can change the future of our nation's history. As Efren Peña proved to the world, one person can make a difference. And it's up to you. So aking mga kababayan, be bold, be courageous, learn, teach, teach, believe, achieve, dream, and inspire. Pray, listen, serve, and help others. And believe me, we all can make a difference. To the graduates, board passers, with great recognition comes greater responsibilities. Uunahin po natin ang